Get into a car with value. 2016 Ford Explorer. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handsome and rugged, this Explorer delivers solid midsize SUV versatility. You'll tackle every project and adventure with confidence and style, whether you're towing, off-roading, or building road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.